If you are not receiving emails on your iPhone mail app, don't worry, this is a common issue and can be fixed easily. So here is a step-by-step guide. First of all, go with the quick fixes. Check internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or have cellular data turned on. Simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and long press on the Wi-Fi and check if you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or not. Try loading a web page to confirm connectivity as well. Now once done so, all you have to do is force close the mail app. Now let's simply open the mail app first of all. Now swipe off from the bottom and pause or double press in the home button, and there you will get to see the small mail app option available. Now swipe up on the mail app to close it. Once done so, all you have to do is go to the settings app and simply tap on the settings. Now in there, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available in there. Inside apps, look for the mail and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the mail accounts. Then once you tap on the mail accounts, choose from where you are not receiving email from, iCloud or Gmail or Yahoo. I'm simply tapping on the Gmail. Then make sure that your mail is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then you will not receive the mails. Now all you have to do is do a simple restart. After you have done all this, a simple restart might also fix this issue. Long press on the power button and the volume down button together, then a slide to power off will appear on your screen. Now slide it and wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on and open the mail app. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.